Going to show you how you can put in different notifications for different fulfillment types. So you might want the wording to be completely different for a collection or a delivery. We actually have made the defaults so that it says whether it's a collection or delivery and pulls in the correct information, but there are times where maybe you'd want to change that, maybe especially for relays, because you might want, or if you're sending out things by DPD which you're marking as relay, you might want to put special wording in there. So you would click over here. Let's turn that notification on. So if you wanted to put a different method, as I say, most people won't want this, but if you do, you can. You could mark a different fulfillment method. So you've got courier, relay, delivery or collection. So let's say if something is sent by carrier, you want a completely different message to here. You would then just click on there, it would copy across whatever is in the default, but then you would edit this accordingly so it says all the things that you want it to say for that. Then when an order is created for that specific fulfillment method, this message would go out rather than the default. If you need help with that, do reach out to us. That's not a problem, we're here to help.